Ladies and gentlemen, today we are stepping into a time machine. Well, technically backing it out of a barn in Portland. Meet the 1947, a garage-built, post-war aluminum teardrop camper that's more American than apple pie cooling on a chrome bumper. Built by a World War II veteran and discovered on eBay for $3,500 or best offer, this rig is living, rolling history, and I believe it deserves its own museum wing, preferably with a working galley and a bottle opener bolted to the door. Before I break down this shiny survivor of the atomic age, do us a solid. Subscribe. Now, this 1947 teardrop is made of aircraft-grade aluminum. Back when surplus was cheap and men built things with tools, not 3D printers. It's held together with old-school rivets and sheer grit, measuring roughly 12 feet long, 3.6 meters. This compact classic likely weighs in under 1,000 pounds, around 450 kilograms, so even your uncle's '93 Civic could probably tow it. It's got a galley hatch in the back, complete with an OG fridge, vintage water spout, and enough patina to qualify as fine art. I think I even spotted hubcaps from a mid-century Chevrolet, though my neighbor Dave insists they're from a toaster. He's blind in one eye and nostalgic in the other. So take that with salt. Inside, the camper fits one person comfortably. Or two if you're feeling adventurous and don't mind playing footsie. Wooden shelving, paneling, and a single mounted reading light round out the retro charm. I like the most that the builder cared enough to mount that light. Is it turnkey? No. It needs love, elbow grease, and probably a tetanus shot. But with a $3,500 price tag, about 3,280 euros, this could be the restoration project that pays for itself in road trip legends. And hey, if you do buy it, please replace the aluminum stick holding up the galley hatch. Gas struts cost $12. You're worth it.